Okay, I made a video the other day about the light fixture, the vanity light fixtures in my restrooms. This Ego Smart light bulbs will not work in any of my vanity light fixtures in my restrooms. Like, I got 4 different restrooms, and none of the restrooms, the vanity light work, but they work anywhere else in the house. Let me show you. See, I screw it in. I screw it in tight. It won't come on. And you see, it did not come on. I'm gonna zoom in. You see that? The other lights are on. But let me show you what I did to fix it. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. I'm gonna show you what you can do. Here go what I did. I'm gonna take this light bulb off. All right, we're gonna fix this, but first what you wanna do is go and turn your switch off. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see inside here, it wasn't getting connection to that piece right here. So what you wanna do is turn your power off, and you wanna turn your power off to your breaker box. Make sure you don't have no power before you're doing this. As you can see, it's laying flat. So I need to pull it out toward me. So what I did is just get this and bend it toward me a little bit. Let's see. There you go. As you can see now, see, it's moved forward a little bit now. So let's try the lights now. So I'm gonna turn my switch back on. And I'm gonna take that same light bulb, put it in there. There you go, look, it came on right away. So that's the problem. So in these type of fixtures, they're sitting flat. And if you look at this particular light bulb, and all the other ones work fine, you see it has that those little step, like stair steps. And what's happening is hitting that black piece right there, and it don't go in far enough. So the only thing you need to do is turn your power off and get your little screwdriver or some needle nose and bend that forward. If you're not comfortable with this, I recommend you not messing with this, but you got to make sure your power is off on your switch and your breaker box. And I mess with stuff like this a lot. I got shocked a few times, so I know what to do. So that's how you can fix that problem. So now these particular light bulbs, which is the Eco Smart light bulb, can be used anywhere in your house. So to use these Eco Smart lights, I went in all of my restrooms and pulled that connection out so that my bulbs can make great connection. So I did this in all of my restrooms. So I'm gonna turn the power back on and see if everything works. As you can see, everything works fine. So that was the problem. So the bulb wasn't making connection. So the only thing I had to do was just pull that connections out further so it can make good contact. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.